Y'all, it's me, and I finally did it. My very first makeup tutorial. Been the hardest tutorial I ever had to do. I know nothing, completely nothing about makeup, and I always gotten compliments on my makeup, but I'm just like everybody else. I look at other people and I follow what they do, and that's how I do. But this has absolutely been the hardest tutorial I ever had to do. I don't know what I'm doing, so don't take any notes because I don't really know what I'm doing. But I just do the best I can and hope it looks okay. But I always gotten many compliments on my makeup, but I'm not like a makeup artist or anything like that. I look at YouTube just like everybody else does. And over the years my makeup look has actually changed. Like, I used to do so much more than what I do now, and all I do is just a simple natural look, and that's like my makeup look all the time, and it doesn't really change. I don't really do too much color because I'm scared. I'm so scared of color, but I really just do the same look, and all of it's neutral. My lip is neutral, my eyeshadow is neutral, my face, skin color, everything's neutral. Nothing ever changed, and I'm kind of scared of change, so I don't think it will ever change. Hope y'all enjoy this video. Give me a thumbs up. That's always appreciated. If you have any makeup tips, leave it down in my comment section. Like, let me know what kind of foundation or what some good products. And I also have oily skin. Let me know what are some good products for oily skin and all that good stuff. Like, if you actually do makeup and you're watching this video, let me, give me some tips, because like I said, I don't know what I'm doing, and I don't want nobody criticizing for anything I do. If you don't like it, keep your comments to yourself, and let's all just be friends. What I didn't include in the video, I usually set my eyebrows and set all my oil points before I start on my makeup, and I didn't do it in the video. And I also didn't prime my face in the video, but before everything, I prime my face and I set my eyebrows, I set my eyelids, and I set my smile marks right here, and I set my nose, because those are the main points that have a lot of oil buildup throughout my day. But I prime my face and do the setting on all of that, and then wait a few minutes and then dust it all off. And like I said, I did not do it in the video, but I'm letting y'all know that's what I do before all my makeup. But if y'all ready for my natural face tutorial, here it is. I hope y'all enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let me know what you like to see next, and thank you. I'm using the e.l.f. Cosmetic Instant Lift Brow Pencil, and I'm just brushing all my hairs up for my eyebrows, and then I go in and fill it in. And towards the end of me filling my eyebrows in, I do make a line on the top and the bottom of each eyebrow, and then I take the brush part and just blend it out to shade it in. And I do that for the whole eyebrow, so you can't really see any markings, and it looks more natural that way. I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Conceal. This color is in a medium beige, which is just a tad bit lighter than my actual complexion. And I put a dab on my other hand and used the brush that came on the concealer to actually conceal the outside of my eyebrows. But do not conceal the inside of your eyebrows where it connects yet. We will fix that later. Just outside the perimeter of your eyebrows. Once I'm finished connecting, I take the brush part of my concealer and I just blend it all out so it won't be any lines of demarcation or anything like that. And this step is very important because you want a flawless look. And then after that, I do take my beauty blender and I pat it all out so it can blend in with the rest of my face. And all the excess foundation concealer that's left on your hand, I usually take that and just set my eyelids to get ready for my eyeshadow. Now I want everybody to watch this. That right there is very important. Most people don't get rid of the middle part of their eyebrows. I wanted to say that for last because I wanted my eyebrows to be all the way complete before I actually get rid of the shading in the middle. And then once I do that, I just go in and make my eyebrows just a tad bit darker, and then I finish the rest of my eyebrows. I forgot to mention it earlier, but this is the Salon Perfect Brow Pomade. It's in the color dark brown. You can get it as a set at your local drugstore. They have many pomades, but this is the one I've been using and they all work so good. So it will be just a great investment to get if you want to do your eyebrows for the first time. This palette is just a natural color palette. I can't really remember where I got it from. It was either the local hair store or Walmart. I believe you can probably find something close to it or the actual product at Walmart. It has just 9 colors and all the colors are just a neutral natural brown color. And on the whole palette, I really only technically use just 3 colors, and that's it out of the whole palette. And next, I have just a basic liner. This is my eyeliner. I do use the liquid liner. And I'm just going to line my liner on both of my eyes. I don't usually use the brow pencils, like the eyeliner pencils at all anymore. I usually just do liquid and just do a wing liner. And that's going to really complete my eyes. The foundation I'm using, of course, is Maybelline New York Fit Me. I absolutely love Fit Me products. This is the 322 Warm Honey, the matte plus poreless. And it goes from normal to oily, which I have oily skin, so this product definitely works for me. I used to use the Fenty until I ran out, of course. And in the Fenty cosmetic, I was a soft matte, the color 360 in the Pro filter. That product actually works bomb too, but either between Fenty and Fit Me, those are the 2 foundations that I use. Now I do take the LA Pro Conceal to conceal all my points that I want it to be highlight, and then after that I actually have another concealer, the Maybelline New York Fit Me, of course, and it is a color 10 in Fair. And I only put just a tad bit of that because it is more brighter. So I just put it in the points where I just want a little bit brighter. And then I'm going to take my HD powder, and of course e.l.f. And I set my points and I brush it off after just a couple of minutes, and that sets my face. This is my contour palette, which I got from e.l.f. Cosmetic from my local drugstore. And this palette, it actually has 2 palettes. This one is closer to my complexion, of course. This palette I absolutely love. I use this on my face. I use it on my hair. This palette I love and I use for everything, and it works so good. If y'all want to invest in anything, get this contour palette. I don't really think it's expensive. Of course, if it came from the drugstore, I gotta be less than $10, but this palette is definitely worth your coins. I'm going to go back with my brush and I'm going to make tiny hair strokes at the front of my eyebrows to make it look like it's hair coming out. And I love doing this. I feel like my eyebrows aren't complete without doing this. And this actually makes it look more realistic. Oh, mamma mia. Oh la la. Look at them brows. Now, the MAC lipstick I am using is a Forever MAC, which I got from my local beauty supply stores by Kiss. It's in the color I Am Chic. And I put that all over, and then I put the pink one, which is called Honey Bunny, in the middle. And I actually love these two colors, and I actually finished the rest off in lip gloss. Sometimes I might want a matte, sometimes I want lip gloss. But these two colors are my absolute favorite. This is the final look. Thank y'all for watching my video. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. Let me know some of your secrets, your makeup routine secrets down below in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and thank you guys for watching. Bye.